everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2 at 2. There is a video in channel on this topic, so consider that the more at 4. I'll put the link down in the description below. So let's talk about Map of USA, what it does, so you can decide if you want to watch that other video and show you how it can possibly help you in looking for stuff in your tree. So I'm going to look at Arkansas, for instance, and what you can see is this all was out of the Missouri Territory. So New Madrid, this is up in Missouri, this is Arkansas, but Arkansas was originally a county in Missouri, as you can see here. Arkansas County created in the Missouri Territory. Now, as time went on, this was 1850, as time went on, Arkansas began to form its own boundaries. See, this dotted line here, the west boundary is not yet defined. And we go through here. Now, I'm going to fast forward. I want you to watch right here on this county and watch how the borders change. You get green and the others put in here. But I'm going to go up here until we watch how the county lines change. Isn't that interesting to see how this changed? Well, the one channel, or the video in this channel, is called Are You Using the Right Census? Because just because a person hasn't moved doesn't mean that they live in the same town name or county or even the same state, because there are changes for that. So let's look right here and we see that this Crittenden right here, Crittenden was changed from St. Francis. So there's Crittenden from St. Francis, from Greene, Randolph, and then there's Lawson that was there. All of these counties were in this area. My family was right in here, and they were there from the very beginning. Now you can fast track on the years. So here's 1830. They're actually up here, New Madrid. So I have documents that say they were New Madrid, which was right in here. And then if we forward back to that last one, that New Madrid that was in Missouri is now in Arkansas. So they were in 2 different states and they never moved. And they were actually in 5 different counties and never moved, which has made researching it pretty much a challenge. So remember, CTN, that stands for Crittenden. Well, look what I have here. I have Crittenden, okay? I have John Brown, there he is, Holcomb, Dunklin, Missouri, which was in New Madrid, Dunklin, Missouri, New Madrid. And so then I have the brick wall here on Dumma, Neoma, Crittenden. All right, so there's Crittenden County, and it was all from right there. So I've got all of these clues pointing me to the right area where I need to look, and I just need to take time to look at those. But the important part of this video is to tell you that the state lines changed. The county lines changed all of the time. And people's names, you may get some clues in that naming, their names and the locations. Because remember, if somebody came across and they couldn't speak good English, they wanted to seem like a local. And that's true a lot today. People that are in towns for a long time are more accepted than those that are not. So oftentimes people took on a name like, Smith was a blacksmith. Well, Crittenden could be from Crittenden County. And I know that she was from here. I don't know if that's how she got her name, or the county name was named after her. Just like my Jones family up in Paragould. I believe Paragould is in Greene. Somebody can correct me if you're from Arkansas and you know. But it's up in this area. And Paragould and Jonesboro, well, I'm a Jones, and it's our family, and they helped found that area. So, well, family number 2 helped found that area. So there you have it. If you want to see more in detail about this, look in channel, and that video, if you want to do a search, is called Are You Using the Right Census? Because it tells you, you got the right census year, but do you have the right census county? Do you have the right census state? May not be quite as sure as what you think. All right, give this one a check. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, why not? It's the end of the year. Come on. Make your day, make my day. It's liable to snow at your house if you don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe. All right, take care.